company started up for myself and my brother. We've been involved with the industry for 30 years in and around Durham city centre. We're doing primarily roofing, now we're doing building work, home improvements, and slowly starting to get into commercial market for commercial clients, which is starting to prove successful. We work all weathers, like you say, because we live in the good old UK. With June and July, it's teeming down with rain, so we work throughout the year. We've got plasterers, joiners, and plumbers who work direct for us now, so we offer a full home improvement service, which it's gone quite well as well. Renovation work, and that's good to keep the guys busy when it is inclement outside, rainy and windy and stuff like that, which normally is throughout the winter. And that's a good part of the service that's going really well for us as well. We use a product called Resitrix. It covers a lot of, like I say, it's primarily used for flat roofing, but it's all different kinds of uses. And we started using that firstly about 15 years ago. We were the first first roofing people to bring it into the northeast, purely because of its versatility, and the commercial clients are using it more and more often, using us to use it. We can also offer that to the domestic clients as well. You can actually go over the top of an old substrate, which is an old roof, without the full need of replacement. So that's why it's quite popular, because it's cost effective. What we're offering is a good quality service, which people are starting to pick up on. Starting to pull up on our online presence as well, new websites and social media. So it's a slow burning thing, but I think that's what you have to do to gain a real following, you know.